severe thunderstorm warning for northern County and central West Virginia, central Putnam County in western West Virginia, southeastern North County in central West Virginia, west central.
Did I wake her up?
Central West Virginia, 9:09 p.m. Eastern.
Did I wake her up?
No, let's go to the next thing real quick. We just got that's where all her bathtub is right there inside. Look, just for a moment. Just good for a moment.
Sorry.
You're good. Move over more, like to the other seat. There you go.
I'm sorry.
You're fine, buddy. You go.
We're under an SVR now. Where is Aria?
Mile markers 1 and 27, and near mile marker 32. Interstate 77 and West Virginia between mile markers 103 and 116. Interstate 64 and West Virginia between mile markers 43 and 49. Please report severe weather today. Bancroft and bushes. This includes the following highways. Interstate 79 between mile 1 and 27 and near mile marker 32. Interstate 77 and West Virginia between mile markers 103 and 116. Interstate 64 and West Virginia between mile markers 43 and 49. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Poca, near Nitro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts at quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Brushing your teeth.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charleston, Nitro, Winfield, Dunbar, Sissetonville, Clendenin, Poca, Cross Lanes, Pinch, Elkview, Emma, Cape Valley, Bancroft, and Bushes. This includes the following highways.
What is this now? Oh, geez, on both stations.
The National Weather Service of Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Weeks County in southeastern Ohio, Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, southern Vinton County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Mason County in western West Virginia. Until 9:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jackson to near South Webster, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Wellston, Point Pleasant, Gallup Lease, Pomeroy, Oak Hill, Rio Grande, Rutland, New Haven, Mason, Gallia, Vernon, Waterloo, Middleport, Hampton, Syracuse, Hartford City, Colton, Henderson, and Vinton. These are the regional weather. Degrees.
Here?
In Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, southern Vinton County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Ohio County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Mason County in western West Virginia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jackson to near South Webster, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Wellington,
Now, if you want to listen to the radio, while Zari's getting put to sleep, I would go to the back porch where it gets quiet so she can hear stuff in the front porch.
The back porch, so it's like off the mudroom.
Oh, you can sit in the side by side. You know, when you walk out the door, you walk straight, you walk into the side by side. Whatever you want to do, so this guy make it quiet for it. Oh, yeah. Now I lay us down to sleep. Pray the Lord our soul to keep.
From this moment on, you will not be known
Pray the Lord our soul to keep. Jesus' name, amen.
Katana.
What you doing?
You can
Darla's come up in 5 days. So what are we gonna do? I'll tell you what we're gonna do.
But yeah, I'll take
We're gonna help him escape.
Escape? Really?
We're all gonna escape.
But yeah, I'll take these 2 radios out of the side by side while she's going to bed.
got your phone with you?
Right here.
I'll text you when she's asleep.